G'day guys, Tim from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts here. Today, myself and Carson will show you one of the two 400 litre hot water systems for this 8-bedroom house has gone amiss. We've had to cut it out, take it out, replace it due to the location with these air conditioners to save the customer some dollars. We're just relocating the system over here to the left and we're rerunning all of our lines. Now this is a solar system, so it's a little bit more work in these ones. There's 4 lines we've got to run, but being hot water system specialists, this is just another day in the life of. So we'll show you what our end product looks like. Looking forward to it. This is going to be looking banging. Alrighty guys, so we have finished our hottie here and said, look, how beautiful does that look? We're both very, very proud, Carson and myself. We've done big day's work here running all these lines for the relocation, but we've had some nice bends. A great opportunity for the young fella to practice his bending skills and crimping skills. So it's all looking very good, and we've also given this unit a service. So this one was still in good nick, just needed a service. So after the service, it's ready to go. Plus it's brand newy. They'll have no worries for any hot water at this Airbnb. So they actually ran out of hot water last night, and we've come in here to make sure that they've got hot water on today. So we've dropped everything to make sure this customer's looked after.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.